you'll be hearing on the microphone, ladies and gentlemen, is a very capable team of the A-10 demonstration team. Devastating good looks, as they say. Only a little bit of coverage of love, I say. But certainly one of the most capable aircraft out there doing exactly the job it was designed to do, the A-10 tank killer, and here to tell you all about it, Tommy Cochran.
Stand up, move forward, get those cameras ready. It's the A-10 West demonstration team. The A-10 Thunderbolt 2 is the world's premier attack aircraft. Deadly in the art of close air support, this silent but deadly killer is next up.
Hey, still just on
Capt is going to pull the A-10, bring her up to altitude. Once he gets up high behind you where you can't see him or hear him, we're going to start the show. Time! Stand up, move forward, from behind to your right, Capt Shetterly and the A-10 on the belly of the aircraft, directly into the cockpit. This false canopy is designed to be after the warthog, the direction of turn. From the right, Capt Shetterly, the A-10, and the slow. And now, dropping up to the left, Capt Shetterly just completed that turn 1,400 feet on the battlefield. pilot to employ his weapons and then turn quickly and stay outside of enemy air defenses. Captain Shetterly is now positioning his aircraft to demonstrate the A-10's slow speed controllability at its final approach airspeed of 140 miles per hour. Get those cameras ready. This slow speed approach will give you a great chance to see the Warhawk's paint scheme, one that's designed to make it more difficult to pick up visually. This design also reduces infrared radiation, which helps the A-10 defeat enemy heat-seeking missiles. And now, Thermal, from the right, Captain Shetterly, the Hog, and the Slow Speed Pass. Normal California, let's go to the cockpit of his aircraft to see if Captain Shetterly has any words for today.
A-10 West demonstration team in the copy here, thermal all the way from Tucson, Arizona. Even right now, A-10s are providing military support to coalition forces supporting the joint fight in Afghanistan. I'm honored to demonstrate today for the South Road.
Imaginable climate. The Hog has consistently demonstrates the ability to fly more than 4 sorties per day, a tribute to the skill and dedication of our magnificent Venus crew. Thermal California, please give me a round of applause for our mighty maintainers. Get those cameras ready, Thermal. Captain Shetterly is now positioning the aircraft for a simulated straight pass using the A-10s. Weapon of choice, the awesome Callaway Avenger 30mm Gatling gun. Armed with the size of profiles at over 70 rounds per second, the Hog's gun has a devastating effect on the enemy's will to fight. Its big shell delivers 7 times the destructive energy of the more conventional 20mm rounds. It will now take Captain Shetterly less than 30 seconds to get back into firing position for a second strafe attack. With 2 Hogs working together, enemy forces can expect an A-10 fire once every 10 to 15 seconds. Get those cameras ready because Captain Shetterly is coming around for his final attack, when he will simulate dropping a 500-pound Mark 82 general purpose bomb. These general purpose bombs are useful for greater area, or destroying buildings, and versatility to the Hog arsenal of weapons. Direction, airspeed, and altitude, the A-10 becomes a difficult target to shoot. The Warhawk is a well-earned reputation for strength and strike power. A reputation earned across Afghanistan, Iraq. Warhawks destroyed thousands of enemy armored vehicles, artillery sites, scout missiles, and even registered 2 air-to-air killings. Today, that legacy continues to grow. A-10 armed with his AEM, secretly targeted. Precision guided bombs continue to fly mission to support all Americans and coalition efforts from all over the world. Now, on the right, Captain Shetterly has a 4.4 displaying the quick and the kill threat.
This is the size
with aircraft can also add to the survivability. We here at A-10 West Trust today's demonstration has given you some insight into the capabilities of the mighty A-10 Thunderbolt 2. This airplane was designed to be and is the close air support weapon of choice. Responsiveness, simplicity, survivability, and lethality. Enabling the crews job effectively, giving our force on the ground the air power they need to get the job done.